Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor, and last year I showed you how to make one of my favorite comfort foods. Only thing is I made it vegetarian, not vegan. So today let's remake this dish by making a vegan mac and cheese. Let's dive in. Put a large pot of water on the stove, bring it to a boil, and cook up a box of elbow macaroni per package instructions. While our pasta is cooking, let's make our cheese sauce by first taking out a blender. Into the blender goes raw cashews and a roughly sliced carrot. Now, to give it that cheesiness that I love so much, add in some nutritional yeast. Next, we're going to add in some water and some lemon juice. Last but not least, toss in some garlic, salt, and pepper to the mix before blending it until everything is creamy. Mix the sauce with the noodles until everything is coated. Now this right here is a perfectly amazing mac and cheese, but we're going to bring it to the next level by baking it. Pour that into a baking dish, top it off with some Panko Bread Crumbs, and toss it into a 350-degree oven for 25 minutes. The panko is nice and golden brown, so let's go ahead and plate this dish. Mac and cheese will always be my go-to comfort food. Our cheese sauce and noodles came out perfect, and baking it with the Panko bread crumbs really brings an extra layer of complexity to this dish. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite comfort foods in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. Scoop in a thing of noodles. Or not.
Got one.